You see, Sony Xperia phones have always been a bit like the rebels of the smartphone world, striding confidently with their signature features that set them apart. But it seems like with the impending arrival of the Xperia 1.6, Sony might just be shaking things up a bit. According to Weibo leaker Zach Bucks, there's some hot tea brewing in the Xperia camp. Sony's known for its jaw-dropping 4K displays, right? Well, it appears that the Xperia 1.6 might just be switching gears to a 2K display. Yeah, you heard that right. Before we start sounding the alarm bells, let's take a breath. Could this shift be a blessing in disguise? I mean, let's face it, not everyone needs a 4K display in their pocket. And who knows, this tweak might just make the Xperia 1.6 more accessible to a wider audience. Another change that's on the horizon is the change in aspect ratio. They're stepping away from the tall, slender screens that we've grown accustomed to, opting for a wider aspect ratio. A move that's got the loyal Sony fanbase scratching their heads in confusion. While some may argue that those thick bezels are so last decade, Sony seems to be sticking to its guns. No hole punch cutouts here, thank you very much. But change might just be around the corner. Rumor has it that a design overhaul is in the cards for next year. But wait, there's more. Cameras, anyone? The Xperia 1.6 is rumored to pack some serious heat in the camera department, with new 48MP ultrawide and telephoto lenses. And if you're a sucker for storage and speed, well, you're in luck. With variants boasting up to a whopping 16 gigs of RAM, this phone's ready to handle whatever you throw at it. So, what's the verdict? Will the Xperia 1.6 be the game changer Sony needs to reclaim its spot at the top? Or are we in for a wild ride of surprises and curveballs? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, we'll be keeping our eyes peeled for more juicy updates. And that's all for now. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more exciting videos. And hey, if you've got any thoughts on the Xperia 1.6 or just want to chat about it, drop us a comment down below. Until next time, stay awesome, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.